Okay, my name is Sharon Botto, and I am from Sag Harbor, Long Island, New York. I started out in natural health about 20 some odd years ago. My education, my background, they wanted me to be a nurse. My family wanted the same thing. But nursing school was not what I expected. Coming from such a small town with hardly any illness, I was not emotionally prepared for the things I found in a big city hospital. And it emotionally upset me to the point where I decided I had to leave, to the disappointment of my family. But as my supervisor told me, an RN today takes a lot of moxie, and not everybody has it. And obviously I didn't. So the softer side of me said there must be better ways to be able to help people besides just a bedpan, a bed bath, and, a massage at night. So that was how my journey started. And I began actually with food. Food is fuel for the body. So I started there. I thought I found the answer. If you eat differently, combine your food differently, that's it. You'll be perfectly healthy. Well, it's a little more involved than that because we're multidimensional. We're mind, body, spirit, and we're 100 trillion cells, 7 different systems: cardiovascular, nervous, respiratory, elimination. And as I'm researching this, I'm saying to myself, what is controlling all of this 24/7? I know it isn't the conscious mind. I mean, even the conscious mind has to go to sleep sometimes. What keeps everything running? And it just kept evolving until one day, the internet for me was a blessing. I got my certification through the internet. But the internet to me was like a library on speed. I didn't have to go and get books and read, and there were videos, and it was just wonderful. And I came upon a situation with fluoridosis and water and children's teeth, and that sent me off on a different path about water. Then I bumped into a guy I hadn't talked to or spoken to or read about since high school, Albert Einstein, E=mc², and I thought, oh Lord, chemistry really wasn't my long suit in high school. But at any rate, it was so interesting, the structure of water. That researching, I found NES, and I said, I have found the mother lode. This explains it all. The control tower for the body, the hard drive of the computer is the body field, okay? And it needs the right information, and it needs the right instruction. And it just took off from there. And of course, at my age, I thought, well, this would have been great if I found it at 25. But you know what? I love it. And it doesn't matter how old you are. It does not matter one iota. In nursing school, I was going to specialize in geriatric care. But in Florida, when I had moved there, I was working with teenagers. So this was one size fits all. However, it's so individualized. That scan is like your fingerprint. Nobody else has the same scan that you do. So Sunshine Natural Health basically was a mobile business. Working full time, I would visit clients on weekends at their residence or invite them as guests to my house. And I began to see wonderful results in overall health with them, regardless of age, just with food combining and proper enzymes and having them understand the combustion of the body and how it works. But it still wasn't 100%. It still wasn't 100%. So one day I come home and I push the button in my car and the garage door goes up. And I thought to myself, I see the end result, but I don't see the cause of it. I can't see the field, okay? That started me thinking. I did some research on the internet, and a gentleman popped up in a list of others, and the name was Peter Fraser, and a book that he had written. And so I started digging there and eventually found Harry Massey and his story about being bedridden for all those years and trying everything. Food combining, macrobiotic diet, you name it, oxygen therapy. He had done it all and he still wasn't getting any better. I read the book 4 times. I said, this is so amazing. They were offering a trial for 60 days. If you paid a certain amount of money, minimal, they would send you a scanner and instructions. And at the end of 60 days, if it wasn't for you, you could return it for a full refund. Well, that's kind of odd in these days and times, but at any rate, I bit the bullet, bought the system. When it came, I was so busy between working full-time and doing Sunshine Health, it sat in the box for 45 days. I came upon the box and I said, oh, good Lord, I only have 15 days left to try this thing out. Well, once I tried it, it absolutely floored me. I said to the practitioner that was reading my scan, because that's how they do it. You do the scan and then the practitioner at NES reads it. I said, I don't have enough days left. I want to be able to try this on my family and my friends, and I want to get better at it and learn more about it. Well, at any rate, we worked it out because willingness is the willingness to be afraid and act anyway. Regardless of my age, regardless of my circumstances, I said, this is something I need to share with anybody that has an open mind about how their body works and how their body can heal itself if you give it the right information. I was so impressed with them and my success with them that I gave the holiday bundle for Christmas presents this year to my family. And, I come from a family of skeptics. And I said, what do you have to lose? What do you have to lose? You've tried so many other things with the different situations that you have. What do you have to lose? Try it. They are still coming to me to get more of certain infoceuticals for them. So it's just been a wonderful experience.